Hiding hair extensions in clients that have very short hair can be a little bit tricky, but I'm going to show you a couple of tips that help me with an install. As you can see, this mannequin has a lot of really short pieces that are disconnected from the length of the hair. First, I like to determine the color as well as texture match for my client. A lot of times I custom color the extensions to match their hair, as well as custom ordering their hair texture in the extensions. Choosing the right method of extension is also key in helping blend those shorter layers. Extensions are not one size fits all, so with this client in particular, I'm opting for a weft with some tape-ins. Placing the weft towards the bottom of the hair will give me the fullness and length that I'm desiring, and it ensures that I'm keeping it away from those really thin, damaged areas of the client's head. This is considered a hybrid install, and I'm using all Big Kizzy products. Now we need to connect these shorter layers to the length in the bottom that we just added. I love to retape my extensions with the Big Kizzy Pro double-sided tapes. Big Kizzy products paired with my flip over technique for tape-ins provides the most hold and longevity for my clients' extensions. And the tape-in applicator tool makes sure that I don't have any extensions slipping in between their appointments. Another tip for blending extensions into shorter hair is you want to make sure that you're strategically placing your tape-ins. I like to use the single-sided tapes for finer areas that can't support a lot of weight, and for when I just need to add a little bit more hair to help blend those shorter layers. Last but not least, you want to make sure that you don't go too long on the extensions. If your client has a chin length bob and wants 24-inch extensions, it's going to be near impossible to blend that out without putting too much hair and too much stress on their natural hair. Here I'm using a 20-inch weft paired with 18-inch tape-in extensions. I still cut a few inches off the length, and now I'm going in and layering the extensions to better match the shorter lengths in the hair. Remember, hair extensions that have a little bit of texture and wave to them are always going to blend better. Implementing these practices, as well as using Big Kizzy Hair Pro products, has totally elevated my extension game.